Hello everyone, we are from Group 6 Animal Science students, and for today's video, we will talk about one of the feed processing technology, which is silo. Do you know what is feed processing? Feed processing is a method of converting raw materials with widely varying physical, chemical, and nutritional composition into a homogeneous mixture which is suitable for producing a desired nutritional response for the animal to be fed. Nowadays, feed processing technology has improved significantly. This is due to the need of reducing the cost and time of manufacturing process within the global animal feed manufacturing industry. There are various types of feed processing technology that have served both animal agriculture and the public consuming animal products, and silo is one of the technology developed. Silo is a structure for storing bulk materials. It was designed to store silage and high moisture grains that are used to feed livestock. Silo is a common feature in the farming industry, including large and medium-sized farms. The growth in population and production leads to an increase in demand for metal silos and grain storage solutions. The main function of silo is to protect the grains from the elements to increase shelf life. It has become an important element in the overall operation of grain storage. Thus, silo can handle a wide range of agriculture products, an extremely important aspect in the farming industry.
So, let us move on to the mechanism of silo. Silo unloader mechanism consists of a pair of counter-rotating tooth augers which rip up the surface of the silage and pull it toward the center of the unloader. The tooth augers rotate in circle round the center hub, eventually chewing the silage off the surface of the peel. Common mechanism of silo. Several samples are taken directly from the trailer to analyze a grain and silage to check compliance with quality criteria. The drain is sent from the pit to an elevator that takes it up to the top of the silo. Once it reaches the top floor, the grains or silage falls through the cleaner separators which remove small and large impurity. The dust generated throughout the process is removed using an aspiration system. The dust filled air is first filtered before being expelled outside. The impurities and dust are sent to the wet feed pit located outside the silo. After processing, this byproduct can be sold to the various industries. From the control post, the silo manager coordinate operation and monitor storage condition. Next, from the bottom, the grain and silage are moved towards the elevator, then stored in loading happens are silos.
Next, we will talk on how silo improve feed qualities. Since the silo operates in the first in, first out principle and have a mass flow, all of the raw material are still fresh. Using this method, all of the feed fall equally. The silo is made of aluminum zinc alloy and the feed in the silo does not get hot. The material have a high light reflect capability. Not only that, The silo's shape, which is known as the cyclone shape, is another notable aspect. This is due to the fact that feed rolls down along the cyclone's internal wall when it enters. As the feed fall down the silo, it picks up the momentum, creating a mini tornado. As a result, the air is emitted more quickly through the ventilation hole in the silo's roof. The heated air from the feed is also released through these holes. As a consequence, there is no condensation and thus no bacteria or fungal growth on the feed.
Now, let me show you some impact of silo in feed processing industry. In Indiana, the bumper corn crop had exceeded on farm grain storage capacity, and thus caused farmers to seek alternative storage system. So, the use of silo bag, or also known as grain bag, allowing them to store the same amount of grain in a much smaller space. Since land is clearly very closely, there is an additional economic advantage here in terms of the ground space saving that can be made. Even if you have plenty of space, a silo will help you make better use of it. La Claire Family Creamery is one of the most awarded goat cheese producers in the United States. They are famous with their wooden 110-year-old silo. The iconic structure was then reconstructed from its original tongue and grooved stave timber fashioned out of Douglas fir, harvested over a century ago. Silo help us in managing the condition of your grain much more efficiently and effectively. Maintaining a consistent temperature and keeping your grain free of insect and pests will help you keep your grain in peak condition for the long haul. Tefera et al. Said that silo is an effective grain storage technology for minimizing post-harvest losses and increasing food production efficiency by enhancing food security.
As a conclusion, silos can give multiple different advantages based on the varieties of the silo types to the owner. Silos are large containers that are typically used on crops, but they can also be used in other industries. As human populations keep growing, the demands for food are becoming greater, making the demands for silos also increase as they are an integral part of the food supply chain and a central component of the food industry. Silo also become the important key for the feed quality as many factors can influence the quality of the feed. We hope that this technology can improve Malaysia's agriculture industry and produce more feed with high quality, especially for livestock animals, and at the same time, a high standard of animals byproduct can be manufactured to be given to the consumers. And that brings us to the end. We'd like to thank you for your time towards this video. Bye!